Welcome to Flash Tutorial 29, Make Gears using Star Tool. After looking at my gears video, one of the people that seen that suggested that I try using the Poly Star Tool to make my gears. So I'm going to give that a quick shot. I'm going to start a new FLA. Keep action script 3, although we're not writing any action script. And I'm just going to call this star, S-T-A-R. And over here, where we usually see the rectangle tool or the oval tool, if you click on it, you get this drop-down menu. Click Polystar. Click on your stage, open the Properties panel, and here is the stroke and the fill. I'm going to go with 0 on my fill, no fill. Okay, and there's my stroke, which is the outside. And here's the options ones. Open the options. You've got two options. You can make a poly star, like a polygon, or a star. A polygon being just a straight 5-sided figure. I'm going to go with the star. And the star has limits to the number of sides you can have. The smallest I think you can have is 3. So let's put 3 in here for a minute. Say OK. And just click and drag, and there's my 3-sided star, for example. Go back to it. The point size, that's how I think how big they are in proportion here. I'm not sure of that, but we'll see. We'll go with a 0 point star size. And if I check that, it will let me go to 0 and 3. So I'm going to make the same thing, and you'll see the difference. Okay, and for a gear, we would want this to be, I think, closer to the maximum is 1. I think that's the maximum. I'm going to try to put 2 in here, for example, and say OK. When I open back up, 1 is the maximum. And the other limit is here is that the number of stars points you can have, the maximum is 32. So that would limit you to making your gearboxes or your gears. So let's check that and have a quick look at it. And there it is. So indeed, that is a really good circle. The problem is I cannot use that tool and get more than 32 teeth. So I hope you learned something from this short tutorial, and I hope you use what you learn.